see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Where's Kuya TJ?
In the shower.
Shower. So, ginagawa ko na sila ng lunch. Diba? Nagpapak na siya ng ham. Si Kuya, sobrang late na, diba? Sobrang late na siyang dumating kahapon. Kagabi. Alauna, 1 or 1:05. Ganun. Late na. Tapos si Kuya, para siyang naalimpungatan nung pagbaba niya. Sabi ni Jan.
I was just here, Dad. Open that.
Ito na yung kanilang sandwich.
It's up there, Dad. Put them up there.
Kunin ko yung fruits na ginawa ko kahapon. Fruit salad. Okay, thanks, Zaki Boy. Ito yung lunch box ni Zaki Boy.
Why I got mine?
Congratulations! Ayan si Kuya. Hoy, kagabi na, nga siya, naalimpungatan siya. Cover your thing. I'll do it. Say good morning to people and say thank you for wishing you good luck.
Thank you.
Say it properly. Thank you. Say thank you for wishing me good luck.
Thanks for wishing me good luck.
Ayan, okay.
And I said
Thank you,
too.
yeah.
I said I love you.
Oh.
Wait,
So
why
now-
I got mine? Wait, am I having one?
Oh, yeah, of course. Pero walang pasok si Holly sa bukas pa siya kasi Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yung Thursday niya, alternate. So, wala siya this week na Thursday kasi may Thursday siya nung last week.
Mom, can I take an apple too?
Huh?
A big apple too? With that?
No, there's apple here. My God, gusto pang
Is it green?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Ay, hindi. Red. Gusto pang ni Kuya, magbaon ng malaking apple.
I like red colors.
Ah, wala pala si Kuya ng blueberries. Ayaw ni Kuya ng blueberries. Wait lang, sorry. Kalimutan ko.
Is there pineapple in it?
There's no pineapple. Si Sak gusto niya ng pineapple. Next time daw, gawan ko siya ng may pineapple. Si Kuya nga, hindi siya kumakain ng ibang.
Mom, do you know what I had?
Dalawa lang naman ang hindi niya kinakain. Yung
Mom,
pineapple
do you know what
tsaka
I had
blueberries.
for tea
What?
At Hungry Jack's? Chicken salad.
Chicken salad?
Yeah.
You like it?
There was stuff in it and there was avocado in it. And I only
Do you like the avocado though?
No, I only ate lettuce and
And what? Lettuce and what? Hoy, lettuce and... Kuya, lettuce and...
tomato.
Tomato?
Tomato.
So, ito na yung... So, tapos lagyan ko ulit dito.
Yeah, that was only the bell to go into classroom. So it's still alright.
And I have watermelon here, Kuya. Watermelon,
Oh,
kiwi. So, when you open this, if you wanna eat this first, you have to tip like this. Like this.
Oh my God.
Like this, listen,
Yeah, I know.
like this. Okay, so and then when you finish, close it.
Oh my God.
Then open, holding this,
Yeah,
holding
oh
the
my
middle.
Yes, I know.
Okay, and to get your fork, you see this one,
Yeah.
like this.
Twist it.
Yeah, you have to twist it. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, you don't pull it, Kuya, huh?
I don't.
You have to twist it.
I'm taking that.
Ayan na, oh.
I'm taking that.
Oh, your sandwich.
Mom, I can fill it.
I'm gonna go to the
Oh, your drink.
I'll fill it up.
Okay.
Oh my God. Does Zach get another one?
Yeah. What, you want one?
What is it? Let me see. No, I just got that.
You want one, yeah?
Yeah, what is it? What's
What is, oh, there's no brand. That's only Cole's brand.
Wait, where's the other
Look,
one?
teacher.
So, cover your thing, please. Ang ganda nito. Ito pala yung mga snacks na nabili ko. Nabili natin nung nag-grocery ako. Ito yung tira last week. So, pinagsabay-sabay ko na lang. Ito yung panda, tsaka mini, and then may ribisco pa tayo dito. Tapos ito yung old teddy. Tapos ito yung bago, yung roll-ups. Ito yung kay Holly, yung frozen. And yung teddy. Oh, ayan na, ayan na.
What's this?
At this one, teddy toots.
Oh.
You wanna try? How about this one? You wanna try this one? This is the mini rice cakes. You wanna try this one?
Oh, that's nice. I want
Well,
that.
You want this one? So, ayaw pa ni Kuya i-try yan kasi bago sa kanila. Shape.
Mom, look, lemon.
Lemon. Oh, ito yung
Daddy,
bago.
this is a new flavor.
Yeah, this is the new flavor.
What is it?
Yeah, it tastes very good.
Very good. Kasi
I
si
like
Sak.
rainbows.
Okay. How about yan? Shapes.
Okay.
Mga nandoon, ito yung aking Timmy. Ito yung Lee snack. Hindi ko pa siya binuksan kasi wala na akong mapaglagyan. Tapos ito yung mini Ritz. Meron pa tayo dito. Yung tira last week. And meron tayong peckish. Ito yung... Yeah, wait, baba. Ito yung peckish na vinegar na favorite ni Sak. And yung potato sticks. So, yan. So, ito kay Sak. Kay Kuya. Kay Sak. So, ito lang. Ritz. So, ayan na 4. Same lang silang dalawa. Put this one in your bag, Zaki boy. Stand. No, it's too early. You have to have breakfast. And si Kuya, linagyan niya ng fruits yung kay Holly kasi nga, copycat si Holly kahit wala siyang pasok. So, atay lang nila si John kasi ida-drop off sila ni Johnny Boy. Si Johnny Boy, alams na, tinignan naman yung dagat kung nabawasan yung tubig. Ganun siya. Pinalayas. Ayan. Okay, no. Akin na. Diba, puno na kasi yung ref natin, no? Doon ko siya linagay. Okay, tayo lang namin si Johnny Boy para maihatid na yung mga bata. Ha? Sorry. Yung pinto hindi rin na shut. Nag-toast na sila kanina yung ano ulit, yung raisin. Ito ba? So, tumawag na si Jan. Lumabas na raw sila. See you. Listen and learn. Kuya, congratulations again. Tingnan ang tawa niyo. Yung
What?
peklat mo yun. Congratulations
It started
again.
to hurt.
What? This one?
Golf because we were all sweating.
Well, I will put some cream. Okay, see
No,
you. Congratulations again. Okay,
Kuya!
see you. Listen and learn.
For my son, please.
I'll do it, Baba. I'll do it.
No, I don't
Okay. Alis na sila.
I
And
don't
ipapublic ko na yung aking vlog for today. Si Jan hindi nag-work today kasi syempre sobrang pagod ni Jan kasi alauna na sila dumating kung mag-work siya.
Mommy,
Wala.
I'm having my
Sobrang
fruits
pagod
now.
na yun, ha?
I'm having my fruits now.
Do you want me to get it?
No, I can get it.
Okay, kunin niya na yung fruits niya. Tulungan ko to kasi nasa taas ko yung linagay. Si Jan, di ba hinatid niya yung mga bata? Wala pa, 9:15. Wala pa. Andiyan lang yung school. Ako na, baby. Ayan na, siya na. Alright. Come on.
Crazy.
Ha? Okay. You have to eat that and then, kasi kumain na siyang ano eh. Kumain din siya ng ham tapos bread. Tawag nito. You're gonna take your medicine after that, okay? Okay. You know what? You have to twist this first.
Twist this first.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Twist. Then remove. Remove. No. You have to twist like that one. Then, it's hard for you. You have to ask your teacher, okay? Just like this. Okay.
You
Then
push down.
no, you have just to pull it. Okay, wait. You know how? No. Which one you gonna eat first? You have to ask your teacher, okay? Okay, that one. So, kailangan niya mag-ask sa teacher para mabuksan to. Okay, you understand me what you gonna tell to your teacher? Her name is Michelle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what you gonna say to Michelle?
Michelle, can you please open it?
That's right. So, ito muna. Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yung boses niya medyo okay na. Kararating niya lang. How's the sihan? Sabi na pumunta. Sabi ko na nga ba pumunta ulit doon sa bay. Alas 10 na. Kanina pa siya umalis, di ba? Nung hinatid niya yung mga bata. Yeah. No, Baba. Other way. And you have to twist the fork.
Ow.
Okay, you can have your medicine now. Daddy will give it to you.
No, not like this, Dad. Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's you.
Kumuha siya ng kanyang tubig.
Dad.
And nagka-transfer ulit ako ng file sa aking computer para makapag-edit ako mamaya.
I want to push it. I can't push it.
Drink a lot of water, please. Okay, drink a lot of water, please. We're gonna have sinigang today, Han. Sinigang. Kasi mayroon pa ako dyan na ano. I still have sitaw. Para hindi yun masayang. Okay, Han? Lagi siyang gutom.
I can open it.
Okay, open it. What are you gonna get? Yogurt. What's that?
Vanilla. Say
Vanilla. Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah. Like Manila.
Can I open it, please?
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Kunin ko yung tea. Hindi ito. Ito yung colon panggabi to. Minom ako niyang kagabi. Ito yung teeny skinny. Siya raw ang maglalagay. Okay.
Gently.
Slowly. Good girl. Oh, wala nang sabaw ang ating miswa. So, init ako ng tubig. Ito yung raisin bread na may cinnamon. Mag-toast din ako nito. Okay. So, ito na yung pangalawang cups ng aking tea. Yung tubig ba? Dito ko na lang iniinit kasi mas madali. Oops. So, nauna na yung isa. Ayan, meron na yan isang cup. So, wait lang. So, eto na yung tea. Ayan. 2 cups of water. Takpan ko na siya. And eto rin yung gagamitin kong cup mamaya para tipid sa hugasan. So, kain muna kami. Okay, come on, Baba! Ito na yung toast na raisin cinnamon bread. And ito yung kay Holly. And ito yung akin. Wala nang sabaw ang ating miswa. Kain, guys! Say, kain, Baba!
Kain.
Kain. Do you want some, Han? Toast? Hindi naman kasi yung nagbe-breakfast. Okay, kain na kami. You want toast? Okay, here. Okay. Bumalik siya. Okay. That one. Okay, akala ko ayaw niya, pero okay daw. So, kain muna kami, guys. Kuha ulit ako. Naubos ko. Ang sarap. Kahit wala na siyang sabaw. Sobrang sarap. And, nag-toast ulit ako ng isa pang raisin cinnamon bread. Kasi, di ba, kinuha ni John. So, wala talaga akong diet. Hindi na ako nagbabike. Ang dami ko pang kinakain. And, nanonood pala akong Korean drama. So, ayan. Initin ko ulit to. Ayan na lang yung natira. Si Holly kumakain pa. So, eto na yung round 2. And, ayan yung toast natin. Eto pala yung bagong Korean na pinapanood ko. Yung round on ang kanyang title. Episode 1 pa lang ako. Ang cute din ng lalaking yun, oh. So, kain muna ako, guys. Habang nanonood tayo ng Korean. Tapos na ako maglinis dito sa kusina. Pero etong isa, ayan. Kinuha niya na naman yung kanyang fruits. And mamaya, ito yung dinner namin. Magsisinigang ako. Pinabas ko na siya. And ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay magtutupi ako. And naka-on pala yung aming heater kasi malamig ngayon. Ayan, naka-on siya. Kahit summer ngayon dito. May mga panahon na malamig din talaga dito sa amin. Papa, it's freezing outside. And si Jan tulog. So, eto. Tupi time. Igupi ako, manunood ako ng Korean. Dito tayo sa kwarto ni Holly. Nakaligo na kami pareho. And tingnan nyo siya, naka-cape siya. Ito yung kanyang unicorn. Malamig dito ngayon. And yung, di ba, kanina napakita ko sa inyo, naka-on yung heater namin. Hanggang yan, naka-on pa siya. Wala pa siyang damit. So, yan muna ang sinuot niya. And ako, first time kong basahin yung buhok ko after natin siyang pakulayan 4 days ago. Today pala is Monday, February 8. And pinagawa ko to last week, Thursday. So, 4 days na siya. So, ngayon ko pa lang siya binasa. And ganitong itsura niya. Hindi ko siya blinower or, yeah, ayan, basa pa siya. So, mamaya siguro, straight ko siya. And, naglagay lang ako ng serum tsaka moisturizer. Maglagay tayong lip tint. Ito yung, ano ba to? Yung Korean. Nakalimutan ko lang. Tagal na nito sa akin. Mag-lip tint lang tayo.
It's Elsa.
Ay, wow. Magpa-lipstick din siya.
Can I have it?
May salamin dito sila. Grabe
There's
naman.
lipstick.
Wala naman ito. Ay,
Alright.
grabe siya. Okay, come on. Hanapan ko siya ng
No,
damit.
not yet. Not yet.
Alright. Napakalight talaga ng buhok ko.
There's not
Tingnan nyo
here.
na. Parang sobrang pula niya, no? Pula-pula naman. Para na tayong ano, sabi nga ni Jan, Chinese daw ako. Sabi niya, you look like a Chinese woman now. Chinese woman. Siguro taliin ko na lang. Huwag ko na lang siyang anuin. Huwag ko na lang siyang... Alam niyo ba, ito yung aking melasma ba yan? Napapansin ko dati noon, isa lang. Ngayon, dalawa na sila. It's a tie. Ayun, kita niyo ba? Kung meron man ako nirereklamo sa mukha ko, etong melasma. Yung brown spot. Ayun, One day, sana maka-ano ako. Pag may time na ako, punta ako ng derma dito. Pero natatakot ako pag dito ang dermatologist kasi iba pa rin yung sa atin kasi alam mo kung may kilala tayo, yung alam mo talagang kilala sila.
What not here?
Na magaling sa skin. Dito kasi, syempre, wala naman kakilalang pwedeng i-recommend nila sa akin. Sabay ka na. Nagdrama. Wala, ayun, One day. Bigyan natin siya ng, time. Are you alright now?
Yes.
Hanapan ko muna siya ng damit. Stay da. Hanapan ko siya ng damit. Nahol ko na to yung sa Zara. Okay, bisan ko lang to. And, mag-unbox tayo. Mag-unbox tayo siguro dalawa. Yung misguided, tsaka yung
And I got new clothes.
Bis na siya. Are you tired?
No.
Paliin ko raw yung book niya. I
You
think...
need mine if you want.
Ano, I got one.
Yeah.
Wait, basta. Anin ko na lang, tuliin ko na lang siya.
My drawer. Copy me, Mom.
Huh?
Copy me.
Copy you.
Yeah. Is it the same? Like mine?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, your hair's
But
like
it's still
this.
wet.
Huh?
Still wet.
Yeah.
Eto, gustong-gusto ko tong may nagbigay nito sa amin last year. Ayan, dala pa to ni Kat.
That's not a long
Galing
time
Pinas,
ago, Mom.
pinabigay sa amin.
That was a long time
Gusto ko
ago.
siya. Thank you sa nagbigay. Nakalimutan ko
Mom.
ng pangalan. Sorry.
Mom.
Pero, ayan, lagi ko siyang
That was a
gamit.
long time ago.
Long time, yeah. So, yan. Paliin na lang
Very
natin.
long
Basa
time
pa
ago.
siya. Konti lang naman. Okay. Okay ba? Okay na yan?
This one's mine.
Okay. Mag-hold tayo.
Is this one mine?
Okay, you wait, okay? No, wait. So, eto yung, ayan, kulit na. Eto yung sa H&M. Most na damit dito ay kay Holly. Para kung nahubaran dito sa damit ko. Kita ba? Kita ba? Wait lang, Baba. Parang hindi. Buksan na natin siya. Baba, sit down there. I will show you. Unahin ko na to. Ito yung para siyang raincoat. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito. Pero para siya yung pang sa ulan ba. Ayan. Come here, Baba. Yung jacket ba na pang rain?
Just like
Parang
a
raincoat
kite.
nga. Ha?
It's just like a kite.
5 to 6 years old. Pero kinuha ko na kasi. Yeah, I know. So, let me see.
Wow. Look,
Tap natin sa
it
kanya.
feels comfy.
Okay, come here. Get up. Ano size 6? Ano to? 5 to 6 or 4 to 6? 5 to 6 years old. Mahaba pa sa kanya pero okay lang. Kasi nga. Oh, pang school niya. Oh. Sit down, Baba. Like this. Kasi hindi niya makita. Okay, let me see. May siya, may pahud siya, oh. You like it?
Yeah, it feels like a hoodie.
Yeah, it's a hoodie. Do you have a pocket? Yeah, stand up. Okay, show the pocket. Okay, try on si Holly. Ayan, pinalayo ko siya. Okay, Baba, show them. Okay, so ito yung first. Ang cute ng kulay niya din.
What else we got?
What else? This one, Snoopy.
Mickey!
Another jacket. Okay, come on. Size 2 to 4 US.
I don't know.
Tapos pag euro, 98 to
Let's just
104. Grabe,
try
ang
it.
euro, ha? Ang taas ng ano. Okay, try this
We
on.
gotta wear that for school.
Yeah. Okay.
Mickey.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Bakit ko mo? Lagi yung normal lang. Yung normal. You like it?
Yeah.
Maganda siya. Mahaba, oh.
Hey,
Tapos naka-leggings lang. Baka, haba. Baba, don't cover the thumb. Ang haba na, siguro ang haba nito. Okay, Baba. Cherry siyang, ayan, long sleeve.
Foot.
Manipis lang siya, hindi siya yung makapal. Dito kasi sa amin, kahit summer, malamig minsan. Hindi nga minsan, most of the time eh. Okay, 3. Ang arte-arte mo. Yung size niya is 2 to 4
What else we
US.
got?
We got few here. Eto, sino ba ito? Nakalimutan ko na kung ano. Ano siya? Mayroon siyang cartoon character or hindi cartoon, hindi ko alam. Wait lang, Baba. Nagustuhan ko to kasi may pockets sa side. Ayan. Tapos naka-leggings lang siya. 2 to 4 years old ulit. Halos lahat naman kinuha ko 2 to 4 except doon sa jacket. Yung parang raincoat. Okay, stand up there first. Wait here, stand up there. Put your hands.
In the pocket.
Just go closer, show them the picture. Ayan yung kanyang print. Okay. Walk.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright?
Yeah.
Jacket din to. Tapos yung ano niya, parang hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-explain yung kanyang cloth. Yung parang siyang balahibo. Come here, Baba. Ayan. Meron siyang ganyan stripe na iba-ibang kulay. Size 2 to 4. Baba, don't do that. Come on.
I picked ready.
Okay.
It feels very comfy.
Yeah, very nice yung ano niya, yung cloth. Okay. Your hair is all messy. Okay. Okay, go, Baba. Okay, stand up. Show it to them like that. So, ayan yung kanyang itsura.
Next up.
Another cherry. Eto dress to na long sleeve.
No,
Meron na siya yung
cherry.
isa. Wait. Yeah. Come here.
I think that's yours. yours.
No, this is yours. Ayan, ganito siya, oh. Size 2 to 4 din to. Yeah. Ayan, come here.
Oh, God. Okay.
Come here, Mama.
I mean, just hold my shoulders.
Okay. So, yan ang tsura niya, oh. So, ito yung isa. Ano lang siya, yung parang jumper lang siya. So, ito, meron siyang jumper na cherry. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman, long sleeve na dress. Tama ba? Hindi to marunong mag-explain. You have more here, Baba. Ito, cardigan.
I like it.
What time is it now? Yeah, cardigan. Ganyan.
Socks.
Okay, here, Baba. Yung knitted siya, oh. Come on. And may pa, ganyan yung kanyang design. Okay, come on, Baba.
Jacket.
Cardigan. 2 to 4 years old din to. So, hirap na hirap siya. Alright. Okay.
What else?
Okay, just wait there, please. Ito yung polka dots. Brown na polka dots. Okay, ito yung Mickey Mouse na polka dots na dress.
Wait, what?
Na long sleeve.
Let's take this off.
No, not yet. Here, try this first.
Long sleeve.
Pasensya nyo na kung hindi ako marunong mag-describe ng damit. Basta, ayan ang itsura niya. Ang cute nito, oh. Look. You like it?
What?
Look, wait. Look. See the Mickey Mouse? Minnie Mouse, sorry.
Mickey Mouse.
Look. You like it?
Whee!
Okay.
Whee!
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, then kay Minnie Mouse, what's next? Ito yung print niya, ganito yung print niya. Pasensya nyo na guys, ang gulo ng aming pahol. Ayan, dress. Ang cute nito, oh. May ano siya, puff dito yung sleeves.
Puffs.
Wow! Ganda! You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this?
What? Alright.
And look.
Yep. Alright. Meron ulit ako na ganitong print. Same na print. Hindi pala same. Mayroon siyang dot na pink. Ayan. Ito lang kung makita niyo. Ayan, may dot siyang pink. Ito, ganyan lang siya. Yung parang plain na white and black. Tapos ito may dot na pink. Okay, come and stand up please, Baba. Yeah, that's mine. I don't think so I have time for that one. Ayan, long sleeve dress.
Wait, can I?
Paano ba to explain?
Stretchy.
Not stretchy as this. Ito, very stretchy. Ito, stretchy naman, pero hindi katulad ng isa.
It is stretchy.
Okay, yan. Pang school niya ba? Okay, Baba. Arte.
What else we got?
Ito, polka dots. Colorful na polka dots.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Ayan. Ano naman siya?
And
Long
the
sleeve.
pants.
Ayan ang cute, oh. Tapos naka-leggings lang
Do
siya.
I got more?
No, that's it.
No, that's
Mine. That's all mine now. Okay, here, Baba.
No, there's one
Here,
more.
here.
Just one?
Yeah, but you got a lot. Ayan. So, yan. Simple lang siya. Oh, ayun na naman. Mag-walk na naman siya. Come on, please. Hurry up.
Ah!
Okay. Come here. Size ano? Lahat naman to 2 to 4 years old. Okay.
Ouch!
Next. Eto. Huli ko to. Ihuli ko yun. Kasi maugustuhan niya yun ng sobra.
What do you want to show me?
No, not yet. That's a surprise.
Oh, good.
Eto dress na Long sleeve na may butterfly. Ayan.
You're the best in the whole wide.
Oh, thank you. Oh, here.
Did you order this?
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay, show it to them first. Ayan. Okay. Mag-walk na naman siya. Grabe yung pagkabali ng katawan.
Alright, what's
Like
next?
this. Ayan. Tapos leggings lang.
Bye-bye.
Not yet. Eto na yung
Different colors.
maganda rin tong yung parang knitted siya. Okay, wait, Baba, come here. So, ayan. Na mayroong mustard color, tapos pink and brown and white. Jacket siya.
And
Yeah.
brown and white. That's
Yeah.
good.
Tapos parang may texture dito, oh. Ayan. Okay. Okay, okay. So, okay, show it to them. Ayan yung itsura niya. Ay. Come on. Alright.
Yes.
Show it to them properly. Wait. Okay. Come on like this. Up, up. So, yan. Diba ang cute? Lahat kasya sa kanya. Last one.
What else?
Last one.
Eyes?
Yeah, close your eyes. Don't look. I'll show it to the people first. Eto siya, guys. Oh. Don't look. Ayan. Di ba ang ganda? Okay. Find your strength. Ang sabi. Okay?
Eyes?
Okay, open your eyes.
What?
Here. Hindi niya nakita. Okay. You like that? Alright. Okay, show it to them. Show it to them. Wow.
Daddy.
Oh, show it to them first. Come on. Stand up. Okay. Ayan. Ito yung last one. Alright. Okay, show it to them. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Oh. Okay, walk. Go. Walk. Okay, pakita niyo yun sa daddy niya. Ito yung last na yun yung kayo. Ito yung sa akin. Ayan, napakaputi niya. As in, ayun. Sige, mag-try on. So, ayan siya. So, yun na. Yun na yung ating.
Hold my hand.
Okay.
Spin.
How? Me.
No, like,
How are we gonna spin together?
we don't know. Okay. We will spin together. Rock,
One, two,
paper,
three.
scotch.
Hindi tayo pa mag-spin. Ayan siya. Ito yung in-order ko. Malaking size to. Size. Kasi diba, sabi ko sa inyo, lumaki na ako. Lumaki na ako. So, ang size niya is size M siya. Ayan.
What else?
Tapos, kailangan ko dito
What else?
lagay ng inner kasi parang citrus siya, oh. Ang puti niya. So, eto na lahat ng hinol namin ni Holly. Ayun, halos lahat talaga kay Holly. Isa lang yung akin, eto. And lahat gusto ko, yung mga napili ko para kay Holly. And perfect yung mga size na kinuha ko. Kasi pwede siyang i-return kung hindi nyo gusto or hindi kasya sa inyo. Kasi free return siya. Eto, meron siyang, nakaprint na yung parcel post returns. And pag nag-order kayo online, wag nyong sisirain to. Kasi sinabihan na rin ako ni Rafe na wag to sisirain. Kasi dito nyo siya ilalagay ulit, tapos stick yung returns na yung hindi nyo gusto. Ayan, dyan. So kaya, pero wala naman akong i-return kahit eto malaki sa akin, okay lang, carry naman. So yun, and you have to take, hey, that's for your school, Baba. Ano? No, come on.
Please.
Get up, please. That's for school. When Kuya comes, you have to take it off, okay? Huh? That's not for the house clothes, okay? Later. So, mamaya pa raw niya yan hubarin pagdating nila kuya. So, eto siguro bukas na lang kasi baka ang haba na ng ano namin, yung haul namin ni Holly kasi nag-model-model pa to eh. Yeah?
Could I?
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I